Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by identifying how your keyboard interprets the F keys. Some laptops map them to media and special shortcuts by default. Look for an FN lock key, a tiny padlock icon, or a BIOS/UEFI option, and toggle it to change behavior. Once done, make sure your OS keyboard settings and drivers are installed so the keys register. This step prevents confusion later, because knowing whether F5 refreshes a page or mutes audio determines the next configuration moves. Next, customize what each F key does. Open Manufacturer Utilities or the OS Keyboard Shortcuts panel to remap functions, or install a lightweight macro tool if you need multi-key sequences. You should assign single-purpose actions to common tasks and layered combos, like FN plus F3 for less used commands. This reduces accidental triggers. Once you map keys, test them in a simple app like Notepad and adjust repeat delays or debounce settings so the keys behave consistently. To finish, save your keyboard profile and reboot to ensure persistent behavior. Try the F keys across multiple applications, browser, editor, and media player to confirm consistency. Make sure firmware and driver updates are applied. They often fix key recognition issues. If a key fails, check the FN lock, reset removable keyboards, and reinstall drivers. Hardware faults require cleaning or replacement. One tip: if keys work in BIOS but not in OS, the problem is driver or software level. Focus troubleshooting there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.